Hi, my name is Nur Muhammad. My matric number is 9220223 and my partner. Hi, my name is Muhammad Hanafi with matric number 9220224. So, we are going to conduct an experiment today. You guys want to know? So let's check it out!
Basic theory and concept of solenoid. The solenoid simply works on the principle of electromagnetism. When the current flow through the coil, magnetic field is generated in it. If you place a metal cord inside the coil, the magnetic lines of flux is concentrated. The pattern of the magnetic field inside the solenoid is in parallel straight lines. The direction of the flow of the magnetic field in a solenoid is from the north pole to the south pole.
The materials that we used in experiment is copper wire, battery, nail, and also metal powder. Next, variables. Constant variables is battery power, manipulated variable is turns of coil, and responding variable is pattern of metal powder produced. First, wrap the coil around the nail 7 times. Place the coil at each end of the pole on the battery and sprinkle metal powder on the solenoid. Observe the pattern.
Don't forget to tap the surface of paper.
The magnetic field strength of 7 turns of solenoid is weak, thus the wave that shows is not really strong.
Next, repeat the same step again with 14 turns of coil.
The magnetic field of 14 turns of solenoid is stronger than 7 turns of solenoids. Thus, the wave shown is more clearer than 7 turns.
Lastly, repeat the step again with wrap the coil around the nail 21 times. At 21 turns of solenoid, we can observe that the magnetic field of 21 turns of solenoid is the strongest because a lot of current induced on the copper wire. Thus, the wave shown by the metal powder is the clearest than 7 and 14 turns of solenoid.
The conclusion for this experiment is any wire with current flowing through it has a magnetic field surrounding it. However, the magnetic field around a coil wire is stronger than the magnetic field around a straight wire. That's because each turn of the wire in the coil has its own magnetic field. Adding more turns to the coil of the wire increases the strength of the field. When the amount of current flowing through the coil increases, the strength of the magnetic field will also increase.